Hey there! Today I'm going to make an arrangement out of this amaryllis and some winter texture from outside. This particular stem has a cluster of 3 flowers, and the anthers which hold the yellow pollen are set up right next to the sticky wet stigma, ready for self-pollination. And what looks like 6 identical petals is actually a collection of 3 outer sepals and 3 inner petals. Now to find some winter texture. One of my most favorite perennial flowers is this oak leaf hydrangea. It starts out green and white in the spring, evolves to a pink and then a darker pink in the fall, and now this. Even the bark is really pretty. I also cut a stem of this basil that had flowered and went to seed. Okay, let's go back inside. Are you coming in? Come in. Okay. I've got my shallow bowl with pin frog, and I cut off the amaryllis stem from its bulb. Today my workstation is set up amongst my houseplants. I'm placing my 2 stems of oak leaf hydrangea first, and my amaryllis stem will go somewhere in between those 2 heights. Going back to the basics today with some construction paper. Let's keep going with another shade of blue. And maybe some green. Did you think I forgot the basil? I didn't.